Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for this pop-up popcorn maker. This came from my Trisha Paytas subscription box, but you can find them on Amazon and I'll link one below. They're very easy to use. There's some instructions here. You take the lid off, push down the bottom part, and then you add your popcorn. So the bag that it came with, I actually got 3 servings of popcorn out of this. You don't need that much, maybe a couple tablespoons for a serving of popcorn. Then you put the lid back on and you place it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, just depending on your microwave. You want to make sure you're standing there listening to it pop. And then once it's done, you remove the lid. And you can add oil or butter if you want. The first batch, I just used the flavor pink glitter that came with it. And be careful if you got this, whenever you open it, it's way overfilled, so it will spill out. But this has a very light cotton candy taste, and I thought that was pretty neat. It does have like a shimmer to it, so that was really good. You can add as little or as much as you want, and you have tons of glitter, so there's definitely leftover ones. My second batch, I used truffle oil and salt, and then my last batch, I just used butter and salt. So I love this popcorn maker. It is so easy to use, and I like that it collapses, so I could just throw it in with my other kitchen stuff, and it doesn't take up that much room. So I just wanted to show you guys how that works. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing some more subscription unboxings from Trisha. I did enjoy the products I got. I know a lot of people thought they were overpriced, but I enjoyed them. And I did a quick search on the products and they still retailed for over $100, so I'm not too mad at it. But yeah, stay tuned if you want to see more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.